Hey everyone! Looking for a great Samsung phone without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the best cheap Samsung phones you can buy in 2025. Perfect for those who want premium features at a budget-friendly price. From awesome cameras to smooth performance, we've got options for every need. And trust me, our #1 pick offers insane value you won't want to miss. All the links to these phones are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Samsung Galaxy M14, a budget phone that delivers surprising performance for the price. Powered by Samsung's Exynos 1330 processor and backed by 4GB or 6GB of RAM, the M14 handles everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and even light gaming with ease. It features a 6.6-inch Full HD PLS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, giving you smoother scrolling and a more responsive feel. You also get a 50MP main camera, which captures detailed and vibrant shots in good lighting conditions. One of the M14's biggest highlights is its massive 6,000 mAh battery, easily lasting 2 days on a single charge, plus 25W fast charging support. It doesn't have the most premium build, but for budget users who want solid performance, a great battery, and a sharp screen, the Galaxy M14 is a smart choice. At number 4, we have the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, a fantastic budget 5G phone that doesn't skimp on features. It sports a large AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks, perfect for watching videos, gaming, and scrolling through apps. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity processor and paired with ample RAM options, the A16 5G delivers smooth everyday performance and fast 5G connectivity. Samsung also packed in super fast charging to keep you powered throughout the day, along with expandable storage to easily fit all your photos, apps, and videos. Plus, the durable design means it's built to handle the bumps of daily life. While the cameras are more basic compared to higher-end models, they're still more than capable for casual photography. Overall, the Galaxy A16 5G is a top choice if you want a reliable, future-proof Samsung phone at a wallet-friendly price. Coming in at number 3 is the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, a great option for anyone looking for solid performance and generous storage on a budget. It features a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate, giving you a bright, smooth visual experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through social media. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 chipset and 4GB or 6GB of RAM, the A15 5G handles multitasking and 5G speeds with ease. It also offers 128GB of built-in storage, plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos, with the option to expand even further using a microSD card. The 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging support ensures you can go a full day and beyond without worrying. For everyday users who want reliability, speed, and a vivid screen, the Galaxy A15 5G is a fantastic value. Sliding into number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, a budget-friendly phone that punches well above its weight. The A25 5G features a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering crisp visuals and ultra-fluid scrolling, perfect for gaming, video streaming, and daily browsing. Under the hood, it's powered by the Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage, giving you excellent multitasking and storage capacity. Its dual SIM support and 5G connectivity make it ideal for users who travel or want extra flexibility. Plus, the 5,000 mAh battery easily powers you through a full day, and 25W fast charging ensures you're not stuck near an outlet for long. The cameras are solid for the price, handling social media shots and casual photography easily. If you want a smooth, dependable experience with 5G speeds, the A25 5G is a top pick. Taking the top spot is the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, A true standout for budget-conscious buyers who still want flagship-level features. The A35 5G boasts a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering incredibly smooth visuals and vibrant colors. It's powered by a 5nm octa-core processor, making multitasking, gaming, and 5G browsing seamless and snappy. You also get a 50MP triple camera system, perfect for capturing sharp, detailed photos and high-quality videos. With 128GB of internal storage, plus a 128GB SD card included, you'll have plenty of space for all your content. Fully unlocked for major carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, and with support for global 4G LTE, the A35 5G offers flexibility wherever you go. Add in solid battery life and durable build quality, and it's clear why the Galaxy A35 5G is the best budget Samsung phone of 2025. And that wraps up our list of the best cheap Samsung phones for 2025. If you found something you liked, check out the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech deals coming your way.